Hi, I'm TJ Walker. This is a 10-part series on how to create your own video news channel. This is specifically for subject matter experts, PR consultants, people who own PR firms, run PR firms, are in PR firms, or are in the corporate communications department for organizations. This is for you. It's about how not to influence the news or how to get bookings and placements in the news, but how to actually create your own TV news channel in a digital format. I'm talking about videos that you're creating for YouTube, for your website, for other online distribution points. Traditionally, PR people, communications people, even subject matter experts said, you know what, I'll try to get in the media, and if I create my own media, it will be newsletters, blogs, text, articles. I can't do video because it's too expensive, it's too difficult, it's too time consuming, it requires too many resources. And I'm here to tell you those days are over. There's simply no rational reason for you not to create your own news network. Now, if you're a PR firm, you could do 2 or 3 videos each week highlighting the specialty or whatever the news is from your clients. If you are a large corporation, anything you put a press release out on, you can do a video for that. If you are a subject matter expert, you can comment, provide commentary on your perspective of something in the news, or if it's evergreen content, and put it out there. Now, the other thing I do beyond media training and training people how to do things like this is I do political news commentary. The same sorts of things you would see on a CNN, MSNBC, or a talk radio. I provide commentary on the news. So I simply look at 10 stories a day, summarize it briefly, and give commentary. And let me tell you what this is not for. These videos are not for people who want to be viral sensations on YouTube. This is not for people who want to get rich quick with some new marketing scheme of videos to get money out of people. That's not what it's about. It's not about how to create a funny entertainment video and have 10 million views. It's not about how to be the next Justin Bieber. This is for people who can comment and analyze and deliver news. Doesn't have to be the same news that's on the front page of the New York Times or the home page of the Wall Street Journal. It does have to be about you either delivering new information or commentary or analysis of new stuff. The reason that's significant is you're not going to have things go viral in most cases. People forget the average video on YouTube has about 3 views. So when people say, oh, let's create a viral video, it shows they really don't know what they're talking about. Now, I've had videos get more than 100,000 views, but most don't. Most get far fewer than that. But if you are putting out information on a regular basis and you have an audience that likes your stuff, needs your stuff, wants your stuff, it won't matter. You're not doing one entertainment video as if it were a movie and polishing it and working on it for 2 years. You're providing regular content on the news. So the other thing I'd warn you about, be careful of people trying to sell you expensive webinars, expertise on how to be viral video hits with your news videos. First thing I would do, what I always do, when I see someone delivering a webinar, seminar, workshop on creating internet video, first thing I do, and I'm going to urge you to do it right now, go to their YouTube channel, click on the About Us section. It will tell you how many views that person has. Now, I'm being totally transparent. I have close to 3 million views on my YouTube channel. Every time I ever look at another so-called YouTube news video expert, I look at that and they typically have a couple thousand views. So you've got to be aware of a lot of phonies out there who really don't know what they're talking about. Again, I'm not the expert on how to be the next Justin Bieber or entertainment guru with millions of views. What I am an expert on is how you can create your own news channel, create content quickly, inexpensively, almost for nothing, on a regular basis, and develop an audience. That's what this series is about. You've probably been thinking about this a while, you've probably seen other people, and you just don't quite know where to start. Well, I'm here to tell you exactly what to do step by step. So look at the other videos in this sequence and we'll walk you through it.